Dear spectators, this is a story about victim blaming. We are now in a police office. We are police officers.
I'm a policeman.
And a young lady will come to report a sexual attack. So we are just waiting. Huh? I'm Alice Miller. This is...
Yes, I'm Johnson, police officer
Johnson. Police officer Johnson. Okay, fine. So we just take a seat, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So,
first of all, can we explain what happened in the first? After that, we can go on.
yes.
What happened? Do you think they can understand what happened first?
They will. They will understand.
Yeah.
They will understand. Okay. So.
Yes.
I think that there's someone.
Yes.
Yes.
Come in, please. Come here.
Okay. Just a moment. Who are you?
Rita.
Yeah.
My name is Rita.
Rita.
Rita, yeah.
Okay. So what's your purpose? Why are you coming?
I was attacked at my house.
At your house?
Yes.
Okay.
Pardon me, I cannot hear you. Louder, please. I couldn't.
I was attacked
That,
from a
yes.
strange man.
Yes, is
Who
that
is
your?
this?
Who's it? Your boyfriend?
Yeah.
It's a boyfriend. Have you seen it, the attack?
No.
No. Have you told him yet?
Yes.
Okay. So you can come in and make your report, but you have to stay out because you're a witness. So we have to talk with you afterwards. Okay?
Yes. After we listened,
No. Oh my God.
or what happened to you?
Okay, could we start? We are on duty since yesterday evening, so we are very tired and there's not so much time. You can wait out there and we call you later on, okay? Fine, okay. So, yeah, have a seat.
Yes, first question. You want me to ask first question to oh.
Go on.
Where were you yesterday? The event happened yesterday, I think.
Yes.
What happened to you? Can you explain clearly? We couldn't understand exactly.
I was at a nightclub near my house. And
Yes, you were at nightclub
Yes.
at night alone.
yeah.
Oh, as a girl, as a young girl,
Okay.
as a good-looking girl, you are alone in a club, nightclub. Oh,
Yeah,
TOKAT.
I mean, I was going often there. I didn't have a problem. It was around the corner of my house from the nightclub. So
Okay.
it was usually, I was working usually.
You do these activities usually alone, without your boyfriend.
I mean, if it's near my house,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, so we got it. So go on. So what just happened?
Okay,
What's the problem?
So I was walking and I saw a strange man behind me. When I was at the nightclub,
How do we, did you give a chance to him? Why do you think he followed you? A person followed you?
When I was
Did you
in-
smile at him?
When I was in the nightclub, a man saw me, faced me. I saw him, but I smiled, but
Oh, you
nothing.
smiled.
But nothing happened. Yeah, nothing happened. I ignored him.
Smile. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So this is the man who followed you.
Yes.
So it was not really a stranger. You know him.
I didn't know him. I just looked at him for a glance. Nothing more.
Looking for him for a glance, for a little adventure, perhaps.
No.
No, really.
No.
Is your clothes, your dress is quite short, long, is important?
My
Maybe
shirt.
you draw his attraction.
I mean, why? My skirt, why? I mean, it's not very short. It's what the girls wear. In the,
What's the girls' word? Yeah.
Yeah,
That's the problem
I
in
mean-
society, you know. Girls' dresses are short and shorter, and they are so naive and don't know that men are attracted by short skirts. Don't you know that?
But I didn't do anything. I just wanted to relax, to have fun with my girls. It was a girls' night, so
It was a girls' night.
yeah.
Okay, so
It doesn't mean that I want something more.
Yes, the person followed you until your home. Yes, in front of the door, what happened? You open your door, and then?
The moment I opened the front door,
Yeah.
he pushed me inside the entrance. He tried to kiss me.
What
touch
did you
me.
call, at that time, what did you call the police? You didn't have enough time?
I couldn't. He grabbed me.
Grab you?
He
Oh.
grabbed me and he came too close to me. I couldn't do anything.
And why do you think he wanted to kiss you? Why do you have that idea?
I mean, he was drunk. I could smell that he was drunk.
What did you drink?
Little.
A little. What does that mean, a little? What did you drink?
I mean, a glass of vodka.
A glass of vodka. You're well, a small person, so a glass of vodka is quite heavy stuff, isn't it?
No, I mean,
You were drunk too, huh?
no, I wasn't drunk.
You wasn't drunk.
No,
You can check that later. Yeah. Okay,
he
go on.
assaulted me. He assaulted me.
Sorry, what?
He assaulted me.
He assaulted you.
Yeah.
How did he do that?
He tried to kiss me and touch me. And so, in some point, he tried to open his trousers.
Okay.
And I pushed him as hard as I could. And get away. That's the only way that I get away and it didn't happen, nothing more.
You could push him. You're a small person, so he was so weak. Such a weak man.
Yeah,
Really
but
tried to attack you.
yeah.
Such a weak, small man. You're sure he wanted to attack? It was not a little flirt or something?
No, no.
Okay.
He came up to me in the entrance. I mean,
Okay.
he grabbed me.
Maybe the person only wanted to talk to you.
Yeah, could be. Could be.
It can be possible.
And
He
why?
liked you, and then he wanted to talk to you.
He opened his trousers. He
Oh.
wanted to have sex with me.
But did you tell him that you don't want to have sex?
I told him several times, to let me go. I will
Did
call
you
the police.
scream?
I mean, I was very shocked. I didn't know.
Why didn't you scream?
I don't know. I
You
was
were
shocked.
you were very afraid of him, I think.
Yes.
Yes, you could. Call somebody. You could call police.
But I couldn't. He grabbed me. I couldn't do anything.
You couldn't move.
I couldn't
You were
move.
very afraid.
Yeah.
So how did you escape in the end?
When-
I don't get. I can't imagine really the situation.
When he tried to open his trousers, I pushed him and I ran in the back door. And I was trying to keep against him the door. And in the same time, I dialed the police number.
Okay. And then?
And then in the crack of the door, he saw that I was dialing the police.
Okay.
And he saw it, and eventually he gave up.
Okay. Give up. So.
That's all I think. Do you believe her?
So any other details?
No, what happened?
And it was your boyfriend's idea to come to the police, or it was your idea?
I mean, I didn't know what to do. I called him and he came.
Or did you just... Well, I'm just thinking if it was a little flirt and you were afraid that he could be jealous, and so you said, no, it's not a flirt, it's an attack, we have to call the police.
No.
Would it be like this?
Of course.
It's a hard accusation for a young man. If you go to police and tell them that a young man with a successful life should be someone who started a sex attack. You must be really very responsible to report such a case at the police. Are you sure that you really want to report it?
Of course. I mean, that happened to me, and if he raped me, my life
But he
could
didn't.
be...
No, he didn't rape you.
Yeah,
You're
because
okay,
I get
aren't you?
away.
You get away, yeah.
I don't think so. He could rape you.
Okay.
I don't believe you.
John, a suggestion. So, young lady. My suggestion is, why don't you go home, sleep over the whole story, think over the whole story, and really, really think about what you are doing accusing young men being a perpetrator. Huh? You could destroy his future, you know.
It's mine too. He assaulted me. And you're not going to do anything.
We can't do anything today. We can do something tomorrow. Just come back. We have. I have made some marks, and you could sleep over it and come tomorrow, and we will talk to your boyfriend in the meanwhile. Okay?
Yes,
Thank you.
everything.